last week of the Milla Neon Velo Imperial RT Winter Series here at Hillingdon. This is the last week of the Cat 4s. There they go, nice big field on this horrible day. So, only a lap or so in. All very sedate. We're only a few laps in. We got this westerly rider going for it. Brilliant attack. Hillingdon responding. That's what we like to see. Women's battle going on here for position. Come on, well done. It's great. Wesley Rider has just been caught, so following lap, and we've got this guy from PNE has attacked, so it's 2 attacks in 2 laps. Which should make for a lively, I hope that means we're going to get a lively a race. 20 minutes in, this guy is still alone in the front. He's got a nice lead. They don't seem to be too interested in chasing him down, but this Hempstead guy is yet again on the front. He thinks he's not going to let this go, so he's keeping him honest. "30 minutes in, we've had a few good little attacks, but we're all back together again. It's cold, but at least people are racing nicely today. 5 to go. An attack here on the right. Kingston Wieners. Oh, a bit full. Jack rings the bell, and Isabel puts the 1 lap to go to sign up. It's going to be close. 4 lap riders. We've got the Catford riders going to win. No, he's taken by Southwest Rulers. So some 4 lap riders got caught up in it.